Namaste. Pranayama for beginners. Sit in convenient position of your choice, Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Close your eyes. Start with Omkara. With a smile, take a deep inhalation. Inhale again. One more time. Inhale. Now Kapalabhati Pranayama. We have to inhale first, and while exhaling, the stomach should be pulled inside. These cycles of inhale and exhale have to be continued. Take an inhale now. Start the exhalation strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Relax a little time. Observe the changes. Let us do second time. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Stop and observe. For a little time, the need for breathing reduces. Last and the final round. Again take a deep inhalation. Start the exhalation strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Observe, relax. Now let us practice Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Bring your right hand on the nose in Nasika Mudra. Take a deep inhalation through both the nostrils. Breathe out through both the nostrils. Close the left nostril, partially close the right side.
Inhale.
You are now inhaling through the right nostril. It's a slow, regulated, complete inhalation.
Exhale.
Exhale from the left nostril. So at this moment the right nostril is closed.
Inhale.
Inhale from the same side, that is the left nostril. Right nostril is blocked. You are slowly inhaling from the left.
Exhale.
Slightly open the right and breathe out through the right nostril now. Left nostril is blocked.
Inhale.
Inhale from the right nostril again. Regulate the breath using your fingers.
Exhale.
Exhale from the left side. Slowly. Completely exhale your breath.
Inhale.
Inhale from the left side again. So wherever you stop the exhale, from the same side you have to start.
Exhale.
Exhale through the right nostril. Slowly regulate your breath.
Inhale.
Inhale from the right nostril again. Try to deeply and completely inhale.
Exhale.
Exhale from the left side. Slowly, completely. Empty the lungs.
Inhale.
Inhale from the same side. That's the left nostril. You are now inhaling. Slowly, deeply.
Exhale.
Exhale from the right nostril. Without tightening the body, slowly empty the lungs.
Inhale.
Inhale from the same side. That is the right nostril now. Enjoy good breathing.
Exhale.
Exhale from the left nostril. Use your fingers to regulate the timing of your breath.
Inhale.
Left side, slowly inhaling. Try to take 3-dimensional breaths.
Exhale.
Right side, exhale your breath. Empty the lungs completely.
Inhale.
Inhale from the right nostril again. You are practicing Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama.
Exhale.
Left nostril. Slowly regulate the breath using your fingers.
Inhale.
Left nostril. The left nostril is regulated by ring finger, little finger.
Exhale.
From the right nostril, regulate that exhalation using the thumb finger. Empty the lungs completely. Relax a little time. Observe the changes. Put your hands down. Dhyana Mudra. Now let us practice Bhramari Pranayama or bee breathing. Keep the mouth closed, eyes closed. Keep your teeth little away from each other, about 1 mm. Bring both the hands on the face. Close your eyes with the middle finger. We will practice 3 times. Take an inhale. Close the ears with your thumb and start humming. Second round. Last round, deeply inhale. Slowly keep your hands down in Dhyana Mudra. Now lie down in Shavasana for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Relax completely. Keep your legs away, arms away. Rest your body for some time and your mind should be relaxed. After about 2 to 3 minutes, you can sit up and finish your pranayama practice. Take rest. Namaste.